Here it comes rain again. And water seeps or leaks through your rooftop. Not only it leaves behind a mess and ugly watermark, it also slowly deteriorates the condition of your property. To prevent this, flashing tape is often applied as part of the waterproofing solution for roof systems. When flashing tape is applied on the top of a roof ridge, it seals off the surface and prevents rainwater from penetrating into its internal structure, hence no seepage or leakage. Installation. Flashing tape installation is simple. You only need a brush for cleaning, a scissor or knife, and of course VT428 Vital Flash. Step 1. Clean up the surface. Make sure it is free of debris, dust, oil, and is in a dry condition. Step 2. Peel off approximately 2 inches of the release liner. Step 3. Lay the flashing tape on the surface and cut to the required length. Step 4. Gradually peel off the release liner while pressing the tape firmly. In case an extension is required, leave a minimum 2 inches of tape overlap. Here goes the finished work. A maroon color tape matched harmoniously with maroon color roof tile. Applications. Vital Flash can be applied on roof ridge, chimney, roof intersection, awning flashing, as well as crack line on clay tile. The maroon and red color tape is ideal for matching with clay roofing, whereas black color tape is ideal for matching bitumen roofing. Vital Flash comes in 100mm and 300mm wide roll options. It is easy to apply, adheres well on most construction materials, and economical, making it the preferred cost-effective solution for rooftop waterproofing. VTech. Formulated for the professionals.